Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on 1 2 Steps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find who likes you on Tinder. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick till the end. Let's head over to tinder.com, and if you click on your likes, you cannot see who liked your profile straight away. For that, you'll need to buy the gold or the premium version of Tinder. Click on see who likes you, and it's going to show you all of the plans that you can choose from. There are three plans: monthly, 6 months, and the 12 month. Click on your preferred option and then click on continue. Here you'll need to type in your card details and then click on buy, and your payment will be successful. And you will be able to see who viewed or who liked your profile on Tinder. But however, there is also a free way without having to buy the gold. If you want to learn how you can do it, make sure you check other videos on our channel on how to see who likes your profile on Tinder without gold. So that's about it for today's video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.